We've just acquired and brought into stock this lovely Volvo XC60. It's in fantastic condition with a host of extras. Gleaming black, Continental tyres, always shows it's been well looked after. Rear park distance control. Absolutely stunning, shining around. Boot area's in lovely condition. We've got the original proper carpet mats as well. Electric tailgate. It's the D4 all-wheel drive. Full leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Electric memory seats. It's done 919 miles. Cruise control. Automatic headlights. It's got satellite navigation. It's got AUX, USB there. Climate control. Satellite navigation, like I've said. Telephone, Bluetooth. 6-speed gearbox. Looks and drives absolutely excellent. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.